Maybe if you want to.
Yeah, I guess.
Yes, but look at this. You need a bunch of cardboard.
This is way too much cardboard.
To make what? Another house, or what is it gonna be?
Yeah, I mean, if you want a house inside your house, because your house just isn't housey enough. Like this looks more like a castle house.
Oh yeah.
If you can't afford a castle, I can understand making this actually. So it looks like it's gonna be something for a kid's room, right? So that they can get into their little castle bed. The only thing I worry about, kids are massive, harbingers of destruction.
Yes.
So I could imagine this would not last very long at all.
But it depends from kids, you know? And maybe if they will see this castle, they like, whoa, I want to save it for forever, and they will not destroy it.
I mean, if it were me, as a child, I remember just everything that was nice, destroyed. Destroyed.
I'm actually made by myself some castle. Okay, it wasn't castle. You just take the, some fabric and lay around.
Oh yeah, the forts. Yeah, I made 1,000,000 forts.
So
which were good because they were made out of pillows, so I couldn't destroy them. If they were made out of anything like this, boom, dead. 1 minute.
Wow, but actually.
Did you guys used to make any forts when you were younger?
Yeah.
What were your favorite building materials?
Exactly.
Techniques. I want to know all the fort techniques.
Yeah. Mine were my grandmother has her sofa out of the blocks, the soft blocks, and I took them and I put one on another, and it was awesome.
I love doing that.
I would do it now.
I would take we had a pretty big couch, and I would take all the cushions from it, put it on the other side. Then I would layer all the pillows on top of that against the couch, so you have these two walls. Then you put the sheet over that, and you have a double layer. So you have one layer on the bottom for you making magic potions, and the top layer was where you sat and played video games.
Wow.
Yeah, it was crazy.
That's a bunch of work.
It was crazy.
Wow.
Wow, that's pretty awesome. It has a drawbridge and everything.
Yes.
Where's the crocodile that bites you before you come in?
And lake round.
I love it.
That's cool.
Very fun, but every time you want to go to bed, you have to be like, okay, pull down the drawbridge. All right.
Yeah, and don't take any lighter or matches.
No,
Yes.
You know what? This is a bad idea. I never thought about that. Fire hazard. Yep.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Is it the Narnia or what?
It is Narnia. Come with me. No, wait, give me a saw.
Well, okay.
I love this guy. I see him a lot in these videos.
I actually also my grandmother's house, and they have the a cabinet, the big one, and there was a door for the clothes, but they integrated a door into the room.
Yes.
It was a hidden room.
I love that.
That was awesome.
Yes, I want to do that. I don't know what I would do in the room yet, but I want it. Or maybe a secret library.
Yeah, that's actually nice. Wow, I love the idea with the fabric.
That's cool.
He did.
It looks pretty legit. Okay, so it looks like he's setting up a little thing for his kid.
Yeah, or for him.
Or for himself. Maybe he just likes hot pink. Yeah,
that's fine.
Speaking of hot pink, I watched the Barbie movie the other day.
Oh, and how was it?
I liked it. I actually really liked it. I thought it was good. Good messages. Story was kind of confused because there were so many messages that they were trying to tell. Okay. But all the acting was great. The visuals were great. Good movie.
Wow. I didn't watch when it were
in theaters.
Yeah. So,
guys, did you watch it?
Watch.
Let us know what you think. And should Archie watch it?
Yeah. Should I?
Is it worth it?
Let me know, and I'll. Wow. It's.
Okay, so pretty cool so far. The paper is gonna be destroyed, as I said before. Children destroy everything. Hopes, dreams. Snipping off this thing. Are we ruining it?
We make a perfect cut for bending.
They're bending it.
Yep.
Looks pretty good. Okay. What's next?
Pretty good. What?
All right. Okay. They're drilling a thick hole in this thing.
It's he uses sponge. He drills the sponge and put the water in it, so the whole drilling of the.
So it doesn't crack.
it doesn't crack and doesn't create the dust.
Ah, yes, that's good. Sawdust is the enemy.
Yeah.
It's very bad for you if you inhale it, so smart. Nice, kind of interesting.
Interesting, but another thing which is also good, you can use a tape and go around your drill and just put the drill on your screw.
True, yeah. All right, nice little wire twisting method.
Mm-hmm.
We're getting a nut, and we're dabbing the nut, drilling the nut.
For what?
Looping a hole through the nut. And it's a nice little secure connection.
Well, okay. And it hold the way.
Okay, it can hold a mini anvil. You can drop it on the head of a cartoon character.
Oh, secure the level of the drilling.
So make sure that you're not going, that's cool.
Oh, that's smart.
Very smart.
Nice.
Okay, drill. Hard. Okay. I like how they're describing the texture of the board. Hard.
No, the hard complicate the process itself, I guess.
That's awesome.
What exactly? It's just a magnet in your.
I know, but it's cool. I don't know. I'm not a crafter. I like it.
I think it's wrong using this kind of drill bit.
Okay.
I mean, it's not for the dry walls, as I understood.
Everyone's a critic these days.
Yeah.
Especially us.
Okay. Yeah. Always. To use a wrench.
All right.
Okay. Different.
Not too bad. You can also use a tape measure.
But you're limited of the size of your wrenches, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
But that's it. That's not bad.
Okay, we got a little drill. Oh no, it cracked!
Nice.
How do we prevent the crack?
Show us.
Reverse the drill.
Reverse away.
Make it go the other way. I don't know if that's... and then do normal. So I guess you make a little hole first and then go on the other way.
Use it as a drill,
They also did it much further away from the edge so that it wouldn't crack.
This decision, all the thing before was just a bullshit.
Yes, basically. All right, so. Ooh. Okay, so that's so that no moisture gets trapped behind your walls and you don't get any mold.
What is? I guess.
Ooh. Ooh, that looks dangerous.
Yeah.
And it seals it.
That's amazing.
Very cool.
Wow.
Okay, we got a wrench.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I feel like you could probably just hold it better.
No, actually, sometimes it's really complicated. If the screw itself is too big, it's always go like so.
Okay.
From my practice.
Got a bearing, a melting bearing. Ooh.
Oh, that's a presentation, by the way.
That was a nice little presentation there. All right. Now what? We got a rope. Is that it? Okay, we just got a rope.
Just
for a levy.
Yeah.
Pulling mechanism. Advanced technology. That's a nice wire stripper.
Okay. Use the finger. What is the best? Use finger on the beginning.
Yes.
Use a gloves.
Yeah, maybe use gloves too. It's probably better for your fingers and your skin.
Okay.
Sand.
Sand any tube. Wow.
That's good.
That's clever.
Warm the PVC tube.
And smash it.
Smish it.
For what?
And then?
Candy.
Yeah, basically, it looks like candy. All right.
Oh, it's like, for screwing. Oh, no, for mixing.
Ah, that's kind of cool.
Wow.
Not too shabby.
Christ.
Dangerous. You made that piece of wood dangerous instantly, okay? And now it's a nice little circular cutter.
Yeah, for cardboard. Nice.
I like it. What?
Oh, you can change the diameter of this.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I like it a lot.
Okay.
Twisty twist. Now it doesn't leak.
But it shouldn't leak as well.
Nice.
Okay, but
that was kind of cool.
Yeah.
But it might get stuck, right?
But I think if it's a silicone, it's not a problem to screw it as well.
Okay.
Kind of. I think it's kind of practical, but the thing is that all these things have a special hook, with any this kind of type of silicone.
Okay. So we got a nice little corner here. Blade on the edge. It looks like it's gonna be a wire strip. No? Oh!
Woo!
Nice,
Baby.
okay. It's a corner cutter.
Yeah, it was nice.
That was good.
The stopper. To find the cinder.
What?
To find the cinder on your piece of wood, you can use
Ah!
these